প্রথমবারের মতো দুজনে একসাথে।
नमस्ते सत श्री अकाल केम छो नमस्कार अस्सलाम वालेकुम अस्सलाम वालेकुम बांग्लादेश अस्सलाम वालेकुम ढाका अगर अगर इनके अलावा भी बहुत सारे लोग घर में बैठ के देख रहे हैं तो इस जगह का पॉपुलेशन क्या होगा सर मुझे मुझे तो ऐसा लगा था कि पूरा ढाका यहाँ पर आया हमें देखने के लिए
What's happening to television is broadcasting it live. So I'm sure at least few millions is in the home watching both of you.
16 million, I'm sure. 16 million people, Bangladeshis, are watching you now because everyone is a fan of Salman Khan and Katrina Kaif.
So the response that we got here from so many people, I think there should be 50, 60,000 people here,
Yeah, should be.
was equivalent to 60 million people.
So, sir, you want to say a few words for your fans over here? I mean, anything special as because you were in Bangladesh?
So first, I'm sure you would like to hear Katrina speaking.
Namaste. Salam alaikum. So I just want to say, Joy Bangla, Joy Bongo Bondhu. Woo. Love you, Bangladesh.
Not bad. ये बांग्ला हिंदी से better बोलती हैं. She speaks Bangla better than English. Hindi. English को तो मुझे समझ में आता नहीं. I don't know what she speaks when she speaks English, but Hindi is quite okay, and Bangla is better than Hindi.
She's a multi-talented lady.
Yes, sure she is beautiful.
आप कुछ बोलना चाहते हैं?
Salam Bangladesh. Camon acho. Correct?
Very perfect.
Sir, once again, sir.
Kamonacho is for the younger people. If you want to
Kamon
address
acho?
everyone,
Kamon acho.
Kamon
Camo achan.
কেমন আছেন? আমি তোমাদের ভালোবাসি।
আমি তোমাকে ভালোবাসি।
আমি সবাইকে ভালোবাসি।
আমি
সবাইকে ভালোবাসি।
আমি সবাইকে ভালোবাসি।
আপনি আমি আমাকেও ভালোবাসি।
আমি
আমাকেও ভালোবাসি। আমাকেও ভালোবাসি।
আমি আমাকে ভালোবাসি।
আর আপনি জুয়েলকে ভালোবাসেন। My name is Jewel.
হ্যাঁ, জুয়েলকে ভালোবাসি।
আপনারা সালমানকে ভালোবাসেন?
ঢাকা আপনারা কি সালমান খানকে ভালোবাসেন? আপনারা কি ক্যাটরিনা কাইফকে ভালোবাসেন?
You know, I've got so many friends from the industry, out of the industry, who speak Bengali so fluently. And I could never catch this language. It's very difficult. How easily you'll speak it. You'll speak English, Hindi, Bangla. Amazing.
So can we hear some
Salman
special-
ji,
very
you
special
must
dialogue?
come more often. Twice a year
I
to
will.
Bangladesh.
Inshallah.
All the ladies
Inshallah.
want to see you.
You invite me here, I will definitely be here.
मुझे बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया कहना चाहती हूँ our honorable Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina for inviting us here.
Yes.
We are so grateful to get the opportunity to come to Bangladesh and meet all of you and meet our Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina. It's been delightful and we absolutely love you, Bangladesh.
And we absolutely love you, Sheikh Hasina ji. सिर्फ नाम ही नहीं हसीना है बल्कि वाकई में truly is हसीना
Very true.
दिल से हसीना सीरत से हसीना We just met the Honorable Prime
We just
Minister
saw in television,
just
yeah.
now, and we were floored by her. Her endearing smile, her dignity, her gait, her stature.
Obviously our prime minister is so busy, but
poise.
she's still here.
Such an endearing smile she's got. And her eyes. And the most loved person in Bangladesh, 3 terms, Honorable Prime Minister. We love you.
ধন্যবাদ মাননীয় প্রধানমন্ত্রী আমাদের সঙ্গে আজকে সময় দেওয়ার জন্য।
Now I'd like to thank a lot of people. First, the father of the nation. Bongo Bandhu Janab Mujibur Rahman Sahab. It is his 100th
The
anniversary.
next year.
So he has made Bangladesh. He is the father of the nation. And on the 100th anniversary and 100th birth anniversary, I want to congratulate the whole country. Oh, before I came here, I told my father that I'm going to Bangladesh. So he said that when you go up on stage, there's one man's name you must take. Kavi Qazi Nazrul Islam. My father is a big murid, is a big fan. So strict instructions के साथ मैं यहाँ पर आया हूँ. Come with strict instructions that I have to take his name. And my father has read most of his kavitas.
Nazrul Islam is our national poet. Thank you so much.
Now I would like to thank Bangladesh Cricket Board President, Mr. Najmul Hassan Paponjika. And because of him, both of us are here. And I think this is our second trip to Dhaka. And I hope that we make some more trips here. And we thank the BPL governing chairman from the bottom of our heart. Now, this name I remember very well because I have a younger brother by the same name, Sheikh Sohail. I mean, look at this event, look at his stage. He's done a fantastic, fabulous job. We are very happy to be here. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for everything.
Thank you so, so much, everyone who has come here today this evening. And thank you so much for the opportunity for us to come here and perform in Bangladesh tonight. We love you, and we hope to come back here again very, very soon. Thank you so
And then,
much.
Joy Bangla. Joy
Bongo,
Bongo.
Bondu.
Bandhu. Thank you very
Many
much.
thanks.
God
Thank
bless you
you.
all.
Thank
May
you so
Allah
much.
take good care of
We
you.
promised to the audience that both of you will do something together for tonight to
Oh,
stop the show.
and what is that?
I believe another beautiful dance or something together would be nice.
Okay, why not?
Okay. If she
Dhaka,
says
are you ready for
why
that?
not?
Thank you.